melawai.
And they tell me that I have Indian DNA. I would like to report to the President, Prime Minister, and Vice President, the dear friends. A few weeks ago, I had my genetic sequencing test and my DNA test, and they tell me that I have Indian DNA. And everybody knows when I hear Indian music, I start dancing. So it must be part of my makeup. So I'm very proud to be here, and I want to tell you, I'm not a professional politician. I'm not a good diplomat. I say what is in my heart. I come here few days, but I learned a lot. I learned a lot from Prime Minister Modi's leadership programs and your commitment to alleviate poverty, your commitment to help the marginalized, to help the weakest part of your society is an inspiration for us.
Saya Yasir Neneama. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.